This is such a simple way to build fine motor skills through play. If you have a kid who likes hands-on activities, but you're always looking for something that's both fun and actually educational, this has been a great option for us. We've had this wooden geoboard for a few years now, and it's one of those toys that keeps getting pulled out again and again. It comes with a wooden board, pattern cards, and rubber bands, so kids can create shapes, designs, and even letters. It's been great for fine motor and cognitive development, things like finger strength, shape recognition, and spatial awareness, especially when they're trying to match the cards or come up with their own patterns. There are lots of different ways that you can use it. Some days we follow the pattern cards step by step, and other times my son just free creates and makes his own pictures or shapes. It's nice because it can be as structured or as open-ended as they want. The cards themselves are really helpful too. They gradually increase in difficulty, so it starts very simple with basic shapes and then slowly builds up to more detailed designs. The board itself is really sturdy, and the peg design makes it easier for small hands to actually use, which helps keep frustration low and engagement high. If you're looking for a simple, hands-on STEM toy that grows with your child, this is definitely one that we've really enjoyed having in our home.